In the next couple minutes, I'd like to introduce Pac-Pack, a mobile app designed to help travelers pack less stressfully and practice a healthy lifestyle. Designing for travelers who may be packing in a hurry or lack motivations, we want the product to be quick and easy to use. This is the starter screen of the first-time user flow, which generates a list based on machine learning to recommend users to pack their items. For example, the duration of the trip you enter will help estimate the numbers of items you may need, and also the travel plan, such as location and purpose, will contribute factors such as temperature, weather, occasions based on your calendar. The app then calculates and generates recommended items to you based on your input, and you can select all of them or any of them to add to your list. In addition to these recommended items, users can also populate the list by adding items manually. And finally, you have a list of items you can check off during packing, and you can always go back to edit them. So that was the first-time user experience. After finished packing or traveling, users may return home and explore other fun features that make packing process more enjoyable. For example, you can unlock achievements after packing, for example, 20 times, and also there are fun and interactive missions that gamify the packing process to motivate you to pack earlier. You can also click on the footprint, which will take you to the page that track items or friends that travel with you. In this way, we hope to preserve these beautiful memories that users have with their special belongings. And as a result, travelers can feel less stressed about packing and start planning their next trips, which is a good habit of performing a healthier lifestyle. So that's all for the intro to Pac-Pack. Thanks for listening.